Hey YouTube family, and welcome to Cooking is Amazing. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for all the support that you've given me so far. Just want to go ahead and be upfront about today's video. I've been watching all the videos myself, doing all the editing and everything, and I'm not impressed with my body. So today, I'm starting on a journey, okay? And I want to bring everyone along with me. It's time for me to lose weight. So start today, I'm bringing out healthy meals, the best that I can with the knowledge that I have and the recipes that I have. And I'm going to start off for a better me, a better look. I want to be in a shape other than round, as they say. So if you hadn't already, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And we're going to get started on just a simple lunch today. I've had a lot of running around to do. It's getting kind of late and I have not had my lunch yet. So I'm going to bring y'all in here up nice and close. I've got a 5-ingredient lunch today. It's just a simple sandwich that is packed with flavor. So let's get started. I've got bread that I'm going to put in that toaster and get a little nice and crust to it. I've got 4 cherry tomatoes here that I'm going to cut in half on top of that. 1 tablespoon of just ready-made hummus. You can make your own if you'd like, if it's easier for you. I just prefer the ready-made. It's easy, it's simple, it's in a quick pinch. I've got it. I've got a handful of spinach here that we're going to put on top. So let's get started putting this together. First thing, took the bread, stuck it in the toaster, and got it nice and toasted well. So hummus. Again, it's just 1 tablespoon of hummus. Rough measurement, so it's probably just a hair more. Just spread it out evenly on one side. Same to the other side. Just get whatever's left in there. Just smooth it around. What this is going to do is give that the tomatoes and all. Basically, it gives it a glue to the bread, so it doesn't just fly out when you're trying to eat it. But also, it adds so much flavor. I don't know if y'all have had hummus before or not, but it is delicious. We eat it all the time here. Put that in the sink now. Get some avocado on here. Again, that's just 1/2 of an avocado. Just slice it a little bit. We're going to put these tomatoes. You know what? I'm going to put them over here. I can press them into that hummus. Actually have room for a few more. Spread them out a little bit. I'll put a little bit of spinach on here. And nice and easily. We'll flip that on there. Just give it a nice little gentle press. Let's cut it open, see what it looks like. Now that's a beautiful sandwich right there. We got to give this a try. Wow. That's delicious. I tell you what, if you're scared of health food, you've got to try this. This is amazing. I mean, you think about it, people look at this stuff and they're like, oh, that's going to be horrible. I can't stand to go on a diet. That's awesome. There's no salt, there's no pepper. You could probably put a little pepper on there if you wanted to, but I thoroughly enjoy that sandwich. It is amazing. I'm just going to eat it up. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you'll come along with me on my journey to lose weight. It's time to become a new me, body-wise. Thank you for all your support and everything you've done for me so far. Get an opportunity to watch this video. How about just share it with your friends for me? That way we can reach out to everybody. The more people we can have along on our journey, the better. I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart and from my family to yours. Love you and God bless.